Greetings. I've got a question here. Is it possible to buy my own comprehensive stool analysis kit? That's a good question. It is possible to buy your own stool analysis kit. You don't need to see a clinician at all. I put a description in the link down below. You can buy the kit. Do I make money out of it? I make about, I think, $8 out of it, or $10 out of the test. But if you go to a naturopathic physician or a functional medicine doctor, you could be paying anywhere up to $1,000 for the test. And I think the test through direct labs is going to be around about $300 or $400, something around about that mark. So you can do it. Just follow the instructions on the link off my blog site, and it's easy for you to ring up direct labs and order the test yourself. Particularly if you live in the USA, it's easy to do. If you live outside the USA, it's not that easy to do. It has to be organized really through other companies. But in America, because the best labs in the world are in the States for stool test determination, obviously there are companies there that work with representing all these labs, and these tests are available through them. So yeah, Direct Labs are a company we work with now for about 4 or 5 years. They offer this test, not a problem at all. So check out the link and read more on the page, my lab test page on my website. Thanks for tuning in.